Today we're unboxing and putting to the test Huawei's newest fitness contender, the Huawei Band 10. Sleek design, Harmony OS smarts, and packed with AI health features. I used this for a week now, and I will share to you my first-hand experience from its distinctive design, display quality, battery performance, and of course, the upgraded health features. But does it deliver? Let's find out. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and updates. First impressions matter, right? The Band 10 arrives in Huawei's signature minimalist white box. Clean, eco-friendly packaging. Sliding off the lid, you're greeted by the tracker itself, snug in a recyclable paper tray. Underneath, there's a short but sweet accessories kit, a magnetic USB-A charging cable, and a quick start guide. Now let's talk about the band. Out of the box, the frosted silicone strap feels sturdy than I expected. With aluminum alloy frame, no cheap plasticky vibe here. It's got a subtle texture that should fend off sweat and scratches. Regarding the display, it's absolutely gorgeous. That 1.47-inch AMOLED panel is protected by 2.5D curved glass, and honestly, it looks more premium than my last smartwatch. Snapping it on, the clasp clicks securely, no fiddling, and at 15 grams, it's so light I forgot I was wearing it. Compared to its predecessor, the Band 10 slims down the bezels by 18%, giving you more screen real estate and with always-on display function. The 194 by 368 resolution with 280 ppi is sharp, text is crisp, icons are vibrant, and that 800 nit brightness? I tested this under midday sun and zero squinting required. But here's the kicker, the user interface. Swiping through menus feels snappy, and Harmony OS adds slick animations. Yet, it's still a fitness tracker at heart. Don't expect full smartwatch apps. No Spotify, no Strava, but you can control music playback and see notifications. Speaking of notification, you can only reply with the quick reply option available. It's available in 7 different color options, like green, blue, purple, pink, white, matte black, and black. So which color would you pick? Now let's talk health tracking. The Band 10 packs Huawei's TrueScene 5.5 sensors, promising accurate data. The sleep tracking is now more improved with pro-level sleep analysis and the new HRV or heart rate variability feature that gives analysis and recommendations to improve your sleep patterns. With all new emotional well-being apps similar to the Huawei Watch GT5 that keeps you plugged into your mental wellness. For more other health features, you can download and pair with Huawei Health, and it's compatible with Android and iOS devices. For fitness enthusiasts, whether you're a gym junkie, a weekend swimmer, or a marathon trainer, the Band 10 delivers versatility with over 100 workout modes, covering everything from high-intensity intervals to yoga flows. A quick swipe to the left reveals a streamlined dashboard, health widgets for real-time vitals, customizable sport modes, and a vibrant activity ring to track your daily progress. Where it truly impresses is in the pool. Thanks to a 9-axis motion sensor and AI-powered stroke recognition, the Band 10 nails swim tracking with 95% accuracy in lap counts and stroke identification. Combine that with a 5 ATM water resistance rating, and you've got a tracker that's as comfortable in open water as it is in the weight room. It's a game changer for athletes who demand precision without compromising durability. Now moving on to the battery performance. The Huawei Band 10 can use up to 14 days with typical usage, and in my testing, always on display on, heart rate, SpO2 tracking on, a lot of notifications, it lasted 8 days. When it's time to recharge, the magnetic charger snaps on effortlessly and can fully charge the device in just 45 minutes. The Huawei Health app transforms your wellness data into a comprehensive dashboard that fitness nerds will absolutely love. Now here's final verdict. The Huawei Band 10 is like that underrated gym buddy. Reliable, stylish, and packed with surprises. It's not perfect, but for 179 dirhams, you're getting a premium aluminum design, clinical-grade health tracking with great compatibility, and battery life that puts Apple Watch to shame. If you're okay with phone-tethered GPS and a limited app ecosystem, this might be your next daily driver. That's it for today's review of the Huawei Band 10. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out!